fish mango curry. दोस्तों वेलकम बैक टू बंजारा दिल और मैं हूं आपका दोस्त अभिषेक। आज हम चलेंगे एलिप्पी से कोची एयरपोर्ट और रास्ते पे हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे बहुत सारे ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस। तो चलो चले, लेट्स गो। फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज मरारी बीच। जस्ट लुक एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केप। Marari Beach, located around 15 kilometers away from Allappura or Alleppey. It is a blue water beach with white sands and the coconut trees around. It has the perfect landscape of a beautiful beach. One fishing boat has come back, I think, and wife is very excited to see the fishes. Friends, they are pulling the boat, the fishing boat. Just look at this. जोर लगा के हैसा। If you are visiting Alleppey, please do visit this beautiful beach. Now we have come to Ertunkal Basilica. It is also known as Saint Andrew's Basilica. This has been built by the Portuguese and it is very nearby the Marari Beach and Alleppey. Just have a look. Ertunkal Basilica is the most important pilgrimage site for Christians in Kerala. So lot of devotees do visit this basilica. You can find all the depictions of the Bible. Just look at this. Hello friends, today is day 7 of our Kerala trip and currently we are in Fort Kochi and you can just see the view. This is the Fort Kochi area in Kochi. Welcome to Fort Kochi. Just look at this view. Fort Kochi is known for its Dutch, Portuguese and British colonial architecture. It is facing a charming seaside beach, which is a very popular area in Kochi. Just look at the waves behind me in Fort Kochi beach. Friends, this is the Chinese fishing net behind me. Just have a look. These are the famous Chinese fishing net. Just have a look. There's a mechanism with which they do the fishing through this net, big net. I'll show you. These are the Chinese fishing nets. Once just a fishing accessory is a big tourist attraction in Kerala now. It is believed to be introduced by Chinese explorer Zheng He. Friends, this is St. Francis Church, the burial site of the explorer Vasco da Gama. Just look at the ambience. This is fish mango curry. This is a special dish in Kerala. We are currently in Kochi and the restaurant is Eat Kochi. And this is fish mango curry. Just have a look. After having the food, we have headed towards the Kochi airport for our return journey. And our return journey is accompanied with this spectacular view. Thanks for watching Banjara Dil.